friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare Kozhikotta. Kozhikotta is a rice dumpling stuffed with moist coconut and jaggery mixture. It is a traditional tea time snack in Kerala. We need the following ingredients: rice flour 1 pound, grated coconut ½ pound, jaggery ½ pound, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 2 teaspoons, boiled water 4 cups, water as needed, salt to taste, oil or butter 2 teaspoons. First, we are going to make the fillings for Kozhikotta. Boil the jaggery with ½ cup of water and mix well. After the jaggery is melted, add the grated coconut and mix well. Cook until it is almost dry. To this, add cardamom powder and cumin powder and mix well. Our filling is ready now. Next, we are going to make the dough. Boil 4 cups of water with the salt in a pan. When the water is boiled, pour the boiling water onto the rice flour and knead well to make soft dough. To this, add 2 teaspoons of oil or butter and mix well. Knead this into smooth and soft dough. Next, we are going to make the Kozhikotta. Take a small portion of dough and roll it to a lime-sized balls. Flatten the ball with the palm and stretch the edges all over and make a cup shape. Put the fillings into the center and seal the dough on all sides using the fingers and gently roll this again into a ball. Just make sure the filling is nicely covered, not leaking anywhere. Dip fingers in water if dough is sticky and also helps in shaping easily. All my Kozhikottas are ready to steam. I am using steamer to steam the Kozhikotta. Boil required water in the bottom pan of the steamer. When the water is boiled, spread little oil or butter onto the top pan of the steamer for not to stick the Kozhikotta. Then, place one by one Kozhikotta onto the steamer and cover it with the lid. Cook for approximately 10 minutes or until it well cooked. Our delicious Kozhikotta is ready now. Transfer to the serving dish and serve hot. Our delicious Kozhikotta is ready now. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.